Respected teachers and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is Muharram. As you know, Muharram is one of the important months for Muslims. It is the first month of the Islamic calendar. Muslim believes the month is a blessed month like Ramadan. The month is associated with the many stories in Islam. The first of Muharram is the Yom-e-Shahadat of second Caliph of Islam, Hazrat Umar Radhiyallahu anhu. The 10th day of Muharram is known as the day of Ashura. Dear audience, most of the Muslims fast on this day. Muslims consider the month of Muharram a month to mourn Imam Hussein's martyrdom in the Battle of Karbala. Muslims believe that fasting on the 10th of Muharram is the best fast after Ramadan. Dear friends, Muharram marks the beginning of the Islamic New Year. Generally, the 10th day in the month of Muharram is the day which is very significant for the Muslims. Many important Islamic events took place on that day. For example, Hazrat Adam ﷺ was sent to earth from heaven on this day. The fire was cooled on Hazrat Ibrahim ﷺ on this day. Hazrat Nuh ﷺ's ark stopped at Mount Jodi. And the day of judgment will also arrange on this day. So this day is very important for Muslims. Thank you.